Hey guys, it's Holli Mostella. One of my favorite pieces in my studio is my DreamBox by the original Scrapbox. Today I'm going to walk you through my DreamBox and answer any questions that you may have. The DreamBox has been an absolute game changer in my craft room. It allows maximum storage, like changing the pieces around to fit my craft supplies. The inside of the DreamBox is completely customizable. The totes have been amazing for storing vinyl and paper, and you can choose between 40 and 80 totes when placing your order. My DreamBox has been amazing at helping me organize and lay out everything that I have, all of my supplies, so it helps me to eliminate double buying. The square totes hold my vinyl and paper packs of 12 by 12. And then there's storage underneath the table. So you just very easily lift your table up, and it has brackets to hold it in place so you can get underneath safely. Fold your table legs in, and you have access to even more storage underneath. My DreamBox model is the white shaker. I have 40 totes and I selected the pre-built option. It was super easy to put together and customize to my craft room. And I also have the light crown. In all, there is 85,000 cubic inches of storage space. If you aren't ready for the DreamBox, you can always opt for the Dream Cart. I love this piece, especially in conjunction with my DreamBox. There's tons of storage, and you can choose between 1 or 2 leaf tables, and it maximizes your crafting space between storage and surface area. But I actually love to use the Dream Cart alongside the DreamBox because it gives me even more room to craft. So between organization, storage, and crafting area, the DreamBox and the Dream Cart brings it all. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough of my DreamBox by the original Scrapbox. You can buy your DreamBox and even make payments by clicking the link in the description box below. Be sure to use the code for additional savings. If you have any questions about the DreamBox or any comments, be sure to leave them for me and I'll be happy to help. Be sure to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and until next time, thanks guys.